Good morning, everybody. Namaste. This is Ganesh, Faculty of Social Science. Today we will learn about lesson number 1, Reading and Analysis of Maps, class 8th class. So, we start a wonderful lesson, that is reading and analysis of maps. Then let you learn before start the lesson what is meant by map. Map is a representation of a particular place. There are so many types of maps are there. We can broadly divide them into three parts. There are three types of maps are there. One is physical map, second one is political map, third one is thematical map. So what is meant by a physical map? Physical map is representation of a particular place which explains about a particular place physical features. Like that physical map explains about a the lands, the different type of features like plateaus and mountains, plains, whatever it contains. So it will explain, that is physical map. Next, political map, the map which shows about its own political features, like political conditions, like the boundaries of the states or the districts boundaries. It will explain about the boundaries within the country. That is called as what? Political map. Next, what is meant by thematical map? The map which shows a particular theme. Suppose we are traveling on a road, okay, we are moving with a speed, okay, some we can see some displays, boards are there, go slow, this is school zone, like that. This type of indication will be, okay, sent by thematical map. Okay, we can see here different type of maps photo also. Now we are able to see here different type of see maps are there. See political map, see next population maps. First one is here, we see here population map. Next one is see here political map. Next physical map. Political maps, what they are showing here, the boundaries within the country. Next physical map, what they are showing, the physical features of a particular place. Suppose this is what physical map of India. In that physical map, what they are showing here, we can understand that mountains, plateaus, plains, like that. Next is here like the temperature maps, how much temperature is taking place, like that. We can see maps indicating different type of industries. This map also we can understand. See maps showing literacy rates in India. So these are the different type of maps we can indicate, we can teach to the students, like that. So these are the different type of maps. Okay, now we have seen the definitions of that map. Okay, Nana. Okay, now see here. Next, see, now we will learn about the different type of maps in our lesson, that is maps down the ages. Now we could see here map down the ages. We will see first of all maps by Sumerians, and maps by Babylonians, maps by Hecataeus, and maps by Ptolemy, and map by Al-Idrisi world map, map by Chinese, and map by according to the Bible. These are the important concepts that we needed to learn in this lesson. Children, first map in which year it was prepared? BC 4000 year ago, Sumerians were prepared first map. That is not world map, but it is only local map, that is Sumerian map. Here we could see here the first Sumerian map. So why, which purpose they have prepared? Because at that time that people, especially Sumerian people, Sumerian at present, which country that one? Iraq country. The capital city of Iraq is Baghdad. Okay, why that people they prepared? Why? Because that people they had their own temples were there. Okay, that people they offered some amount to the temple management. So after offering, management were calculated them and they displayed on a clay tablet. That is called as what? First map. First map was prepared by Sumerians, that is clay tablet. And next one is next type of map. Next map is prepared by Babylonians. Babylonians are belongs to which country? That is Iraq country only. The same only. They are actually both are in Iraq country only, like a twin cities. That you needed to understand. We will learn about all these things in deeper way. Next we continue next slide. See, before that one we should focus here some ancient geographers who prepared all these maps. These are all, especially these are all belongs to Greek people. Okay, Greek geographers. Anaximander, we could see here a great personality, aged person, Anaximander. Here second person is Herodotus. You know the specialty of Herodotus, he is known as the father of history. And the next one is, and he is Hecataeus of millets. Actually millet is located in right now in Turkey, but in those days it is one of the part and parcel in where? Greek. So Hecataeus is regarded as the father of geography. Now we are able to see here Hecataeus of millets. He is belongs to millet. Okay, so he is regarded as a father of geography. So now see here he prepared this type of he prepared wonderful map by Hecataeus. He prepared his map. According to him, there are only 3 great continents were there. That is what? African continent and Asian continent and Europe continent. Okay. Okay, next we will see. Now this table is explains about that the different type of map makers, Sumerian map, Babylonian map, and Hecataeus map. Sumerian, now focus on here Sumerian map, especially Sumerian map. You focus here. It is prepared in which year it was prepared? See here, 4,000 years ago it was prepared. It is a clay tablets. We are discussing about first column, that is Sumerian map. We focus here. Prepared. Oh, in which period it was prepared? Only 4,000 years before it was prepared. It is a clay tablet. And which purpose it was prepared? As I told, it is to display the amount of the temple offerings. So what is that? What is the specialty of this map? Okay, they have shown their Sumerian city in the center of the map. That is the main feature of this clay tablet. Okay, next one is Babylonian map. This one is prepared 2600 BC period. Okay, this is the first world map. Which one? Question will come. Which one is the first world map? See, Babylonians map is the first world map. They imagined the world shape as a disc. They have shown they imagined that enter the shape of the globe is disc. Okay, and they show Babylonian city in middle. Not only that one, they have shown 7 islands are also over there, and next to Bitter Sea also they have shown in Babylonians map. That is the specialty of Babylonian map. Okay, next one come to here. What is the specialty of Babylonian map? They had shown their city in the center point of the map. Okay, that is the common feature for every map. Wow, whoever they are preparing their map, they had shown their own country in the center of their map. Now come to here Hecataeus. Hecataeus is already I told you that he is regarded as the father of geography. He is the father of the geography, and according to him, okay, according to him, how many continents were there? 3 continents, that is Africa, that he located, that is Libya. Next one is Europe, and the next one is Asia. Okay, Nana? Okay, right. Next, some ancient geographers will be Herodotus, Anaximander, Ptolemy, Hecataeus were the prominent geographers that we needed to know that one. Here we have to learn about still few things. You know, Ptolemy also a wonderful geographer, one who written a famous book Almagest. You remember? You have to note it even. Almagest, a wonderful book which explains about the ancient, okay, geography. Ancient geography. According to Almagest only, that modern map makers, they prepared a new type of maps, okay, that you needed to remember that. Okay, so now see here, we could able to see here Sumerian map. So this is what Sumerian people, they were Sumerian people. This is the Sumerian clay tablet. In this clay tablet they had written all that amounts already I told you, okay, and they displayed. This is the first clay tablet. Now next Sumerian maps also we are able to see here. Now little information is there. Now we can read even what are the Sumerians already told. At present country is what? Iraq. Okay, some of the earliest maps made by Sumerians about 4000 years ago, they were imprinted on clay tablet. Already we have learnt all these things, Nana. Okay, thank you. We will continue. We have to know regarding so many maps, ancient maps. Okay, we will continue the next class. Until just you prepare them, still we needed to continue to learn some ancient maps. Thank you, beta.